everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 14, where we continue to decorate the outside of the family farm. However, it is a 21 to 25 mile an hour wind outside, so we really can't do much outside, unfortunately. I'll try to do a little bit inside as well today to get a little bit longer of a video. We did get rained out yesterday. The wind came and started to blow around the decorations. I got some new stockings, as you can see above my head over here. I got my cousin Kenny a new stocking and his two sons a new stocking. My mom likes the one that his wife has, so we're gonna leave it for now, but I think we should get her a new one too. Love this. That's super cute. But we have a pug, so maybe I should get the snowman. I'm looking for Mrs. Claus. Oh, she's up there. I'll have to get that down. Or should I get this one to go on the other side of the Noel? Oh, that's the big snowman I almost bought. Wow, I'm glad I didn't buy that. That thing would not fit. We have these we're gonna hang tonight. I think we're good. I'm kind of obsessed with this little tiny mouse right here. I almost want to buy him. Look how cute he is. He's so adorable. Look at how cute that is. So we're gonna get this, I think. That's perfect. Nice little ugly sweater. with that, that completes Vlogmas Day 14, ugly sweater. DIY. Hopefully you liked it. I look forward to seeing you here tomorrow. Come back for more Christmas festivities. See you later.